Have you ever been driving, and your car just does something? Maybe it brakes harder than you expected, or suddenly nudges the steering wheel? What if I told you your car is constantly making tiny, yet significant, decisions without your direct input? It's not science fiction, it's the fascinating reality of modern automotive technology. Today, we're going on a journey to explore the incredible real-world tech that gives your car a mind of its own, ranking these decisions from the subtly helpful to the truly life-saving. Get ready to see your vehicle in a whole new light. Kicking off our countdown at number 8 are features you might already be familiar with: automatic wipers and headlights. These might seem simple, but they represent your car's first steps into autonomous decision-making. Automatic headlights use a light sensor, often located on the dashboard, to detect ambient light levels. When it gets dark, or you enter a tunnel, the sensor tells the car's computer to turn on the headlights. Similarly, automatic wipers employ a rain sensor, usually mounted behind the rearview mirror, to detect moisture on the windshield. The car then decides not just if to wipe, but how fast. These systems are more than just a convenience, they're a subtle safety feature. How many times have you forgotten to turn on your lights as dusk approaches, or fumbled for the wiper controls in a sudden downpour? Your car eliminates that momentary distraction or oversight. It's making a proactive decision to improve your visibility and safety, freeing you to focus on the road. The car acts as a helpful co-pilot, handling these routine tasks so you don't have to, demonstrating a basic yet effective form of vehicle autonomy. Coming in at number 7, we have auto-dimming rearview mirrors. This is another subtle but clever decision your car makes for your comfort and safety. When a bright pair of headlights from a vehicle behind you hits your rearview mirror at night, it can create a dazzling glare, temporarily impairing your vision. An auto-dimming mirror detects this bright light using embedded sensors. It then electrically darkens the mirror glass, reducing the intensity of the reflection and protecting your night vision without you needing to manually flip a switch. The car's decision to dim the mirror might seem small, but its impact on driver comfort and safety, especially during nighttime driving, is significant. Your eyes don't have to constantly adjust to sudden bright flashes, which can cause momentary blindness. This helps maintain your natural night vision and reduces eye strain over long journeys. It's an example of how your car is constantly sensing its environment and making micro-adjustments to optimize your driving experience, all without a single thought or action required from you. At number 6, we delve into how your car monitors its own health, making decisions about its maintenance needs. We're talking about predictive maintenance systems, like the Tire Pressure Monitoring System, or TPMS. TPMS uses sensors in each tire to continuously measure tire pressure. If a tire's pressure drops below a safe threshold, the system alerts you. This isn't just a warning, it's the car's computer deciding that a crucial component's performance is compromised and that it needs your attention to prevent a potential hazard. But predictive maintenance goes beyond just tires. Many modern vehicles have advanced diagnostics that monitor engine performance, oil life, brake pad wear, and more. The car's internal computers are constantly analyzing data from numerous sensors. Based on this analysis, the car decides when a service is due or if a component is showing early signs of failure. It's essentially your car thinking ahead, anticipating problems before they become critical, and guiding you to take preventative action, enhancing both safety and the longevity of your vehicle. Moving up to number 5, we have traffic sign recognition, or TSR. This is where your car starts to read and understand its environment. TSR systems use forward-facing cameras, usually mounted near the rearview mirror, to detect and interpret traffic signs like speed limits, no passing zones, and stop signs. Once a sign is detected and confirmed, the information is displayed on your instrument cluster or head-up display. Your car is actively observing the world around it and making a decision about the legal requirements for driving in that specific area. TSR's capabilities extend beyond just displaying information. In many vehicles, it integrates with adaptive cruise control. This means your car can actively decide to adjust its set speed to match the detected speed limit. Imagine driving into a new zone with a lower speed limit. Your car, having read the sign, gently reduces your speed without you having to lift a finger. This is a significant step, as the car is not just informing you, but acting on the information it gathers, making a decision that directly impacts your vehicle's speed and adherence to traffic laws. At number 4, we have blind spot intervention, or BSI. You might be familiar with blind spot monitoring, which just warns you about vehicles in your blind spot. BSI takes it a crucial step further. Using radar or ultrasonic sensors mounted on the sides of your car, it not only detects a vehicle in your blind spot, but if you begin to drift or signal into that occupied lane, the system will actively intervene. This means your car makes the decision to gently steer you back into your lane or apply a light brake to one side, preventing a potential collision. BSI is a prime example of your car making a critical, active decision to override a driver error and enhance safety. It's stepping in when you might miss a crucial visual cue, literally taking the wheel for a split second to prevent an accident. The car isn't asking for your permission, it's assessing a dangerous situation and making an immediate, corrective maneuver. This technology drastically reduces the risk of sideswipe collisions, making lane changes much safer, especially in busy traffic or on multi-lane highways where blind spots are a major concern. Entering our top 3, we have Adaptive Cruise Control, or ACC, especially with stop-and-go functionality. Traditional cruise control maintains a set speed. ACC, however, uses radar or cameras to constantly monitor the distance to the vehicle ahead. Your car makes the decision to automatically accelerate or decelerate to maintain a preset following distance. This is a huge leap because the car isn't just holding a speed, it's dynamically adjusting to traffic flow, making continuous speed and distance decisions without constant input from you. The stop-and-go aspect elevates ACC even further. This feature means your car can bring itself to a complete halt behind a stopped vehicle and then, when traffic moves again, automatically resume acceleration. Imagine being stuck in a crawling traffic jam. Your car is deciding when to brake, when to stop, and when to start moving again, all on its own. It's an autonomous decision that significantly reduces driver fatigue and stress in mundane, stop-and-go driving conditions, making your commute much more relaxing and efficient. Our runner-up, at number 2, is Lane Keeping Assist, or LKA, sometimes referred to as lane centering. While BSI only intervenes during a lane change, LKA is continuously monitoring your position within the lane. Using a forward-facing camera to detect lane markings, your car makes the decision to actively apply small, corrective steering inputs to keep you centered. If you start to drift unintentionally out of your lane, the system will gently steer you back. This is a continuous, active decision-making process by your car to maintain your intended path. LKA isn't just for emergencies, it's a constant, proactive decision-maker that significantly reduces the burden on the driver during long highway stretches. Think about how many micro-adjustments you make while driving to stay perfectly in your lane. LKA handles many of these for you, freeing up mental energy and reducing fatigue. It acts as a vigilant co-driver, making continuous, subtle steering decisions to maintain optimal lane position, ensuring a smoother and safer journey, especially if combined with adaptive cruise control for a semi-autonomous highway experience. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, for the most critical decision your car can make without you, is automatic emergency braking, or AEB. This is arguably the most impactful and life-saving technology on our list. AEB systems use a combination of radar, LiDAR, and cameras to constantly scan the road ahead for obstacles like other vehicles, pedestrians, or cyclists. If the system detects an imminent collision and the driver doesn't react quickly enough, your car makes the split-second decision to apply the brakes fully and forcefully. This is your car making a truly autonomous, life-or-death decision. It's not just a warning, it's an active intervention that can mitigate the severity of a crash, or even prevent it entirely. Studies have shown AEB can reduce front-to-rear collisions by a significant margin. The car's computer assesses the speed, distance, and trajectory of potential obstacles, and if human reaction time isn't sufficient, it takes decisive action. This technology represents the pinnacle of current in-car decision-making, prioritizing safety above all else, and often before you even realize the danger. The ethical implications of AEB are fascinating. Who is responsible when a car makes such a critical decision? These are questions engineers and policymakers are constantly grappling with as vehicle autonomy advances. But one thing is clear: AEB has already proven its worth in saving lives and preventing injuries. As technology evolves, these systems will become even more sophisticated, interacting with other vehicle systems and potentially even communicating with traffic infrastructure, ushering in an era where your car's decision-making capabilities continue to expand for a safer, more efficient future of driving. So there you have it, a fascinating look at how your car is actively making decisions without you, from the subtle assists to the life-saving interventions. These technologies aren't just gadgets, they represent a fundamental shift in how we interact with our vehicles, transforming them into intelligent co-pilots. They make our roads safer, our commutes easier, and our driving experiences more refined. As technology continues to evolve, these systems will only become more integrated and intuitive. Which of these technologies surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of automotive tech.